Double for your trouble. Get ready for restoration. Script. God is replacing sorrow with joy, weakness with strength, loss with blessing. Your season is changing. What God restores comes back with purpose. Declaration. I declare complete restoration over my life in Jesus' name. Bible verse. Instead of your shame,
You shall receive a
double portion. Isaiah 61-7. What heaven has promised it, God hasn't forgotten you. Script. Every tear, every delay, every prayer you've whispered, God has seen it all. He's turning your pain into purpose.
And you're waiting into a testimony. Declaration. I receive God's complete restoration today.
Bible verse. The Lord will perfect that which concerns me. Psalms 138-8.